Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ooh. Just gonna do a nice little eyebrow tutorial for you guys. I've been getting asked this a lot recently, so I figured I start off my YouTube series with that. The current product that I've been using is the Morphe Arch Obsessions kit. So I don't know if it's Morphe or Morphe, but that's it right there. It comes with a few things. So that was the dip brow that I just showed. It also comes with a twist micro brow pencil. So the brow pencil is pretty cool because it comes with its own spoolie. It comes with the twist up tip, and it's pretty small, so you know it's good for like making detailed marks, or like if you miss a little bit of a spot and you don't want to go back in with your dip brow, then you would use that. Comes with a brow setting gel. I love this. I've never used brow setting gel before. I've gotten this. It helps out a lot, I will say that. It defines your eyebrows and it sets them down so that they don't move. Well, this could be just like a deformity on mine, I don't know, but I love it. I hope they do it with the rest of mine that I ordered. So it comes with two sides. So one side is kind of flat, and then the other side is long. In my opinion, the flat side, it kind of gathers up more of the gel, and then I use the longer side to actually brush it and set it into place. So I don't know if that's a thing that, you know, might just come with mine or they did on purpose, but I love it. So it helps me out a lot when it comes to placement. It comes with this old Brow Baby concealer pen, and you know, it's cool. I've used it a few times, as you can see, but there's nothing wrong with it, but I just think it's a little bit too light for my color, as you can see, like, you know, like. And last but not least, it comes with a M158 brush, and on the brush it has a spoolie and it has a chisel tipped brush side. Also with this tutorial, I'm going to use concealers. Ooh, I love concealers. So these are both Anastasia. One is 3.75 and one is 5.0. I use two different concealers. The 3.75 I use under, and the 5.0 I use above. The 5.0 kind of matches my skin tone more, and the 3.75 is more of a highlighter for me. So, you know, I use it to brighten up my eyelids. Also, you will need a flat concealer brush. Now, don't mind my eyebrows. I know they look crazy. I'm trying to get them to grow. So yeah. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to take my Morphe pencil and I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows. I'm gonna start by finding where I want it to stop. So you can draw it out and make it longer, or you could keep it going where it's at. It's all about preference and how thick you want your eyebrows to be. This line is going to determine how thick your eyebrows are. Maybe like ½ centimeter from where your eyebrows begin. Use light strokes and go towards the end of your eyebrow. And like I said, because I like mine a little thicker, I'm not going to bring it up to where my main eyebrow is, but I'm going to continue it straight. I'm going to come up to the top. Same thing, I'm going to start ½ centimeter out. You can follow the shape of your eyebrow, you can create your own shape. It's really up to you and your own creativity and your preference. Some people like their eyebrows arched a lot, so they'll go up with theirs. I like mine kind of subtle, kind of natural. So I'm gonna come down on the end like that. So now I have my shape, just like that. Your shape is going to tell you where to put your dip brow. Kind of why I like this kit, because you could give yourself an outline and then you can fill it in. I'm gonna come over to my other eyebrow. And same thing, I'm gonna start ½ centimeter in, drag it over. some people like to just use this, and you could do that. You could fill it in, it will be quick, you know, it'll be a quick look. And that's what I suggest you do if you want an everyday brow look and you don't have really much time to like clean it up and stuff. Then I would suggest filling it in with that. The way you get your brow on your brush is you're going to slide it on the side and on the other side. So I use my cap, and I like to do this and flatten it inside of the cap, you know, and that just helps me keep it at the sharp angle that I need it. Start from the bottom, and I kind of just brush up, increase my pressure when I get to the end. Do not do the top though, it will not look right. I want you guys to see how I messed up a little bit over here. It's not, you know, perfectly straight. That's okay, because now we move on to the concealer part. This is probably like my favorite part of doing eyebrows, because this brings it all together. I'm going to take my flat concealer brush, like I showed you guys earlier, and, you know, kind of just make sure that it's flat with my fingertips. I'm gonna start with the over, just because I feel like it's a lot easier to control that than it is to control the bottom. So I'm gonna take my 5.0 Anastasia concealer. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you don't need too much, you know, just enough to get on the brush. And then I'm gonna use the back of my hand to kind of spread it on my hand so that I don't have too much product on my brush, because you take it from there and you put it on your face, you get a lot of product. I'm going to start from the middle and brush out. This is why when I do my eyebrows, I really don't worry about mistakes too often, because I clean it up with the concealer anyways. And I start from the middle just so that I can make sure it's even, you know, because that is one of my pet peeves, uneven eyebrows. Even though everybody's eyebrows is uneven and it's really not possible to get them to be 100% straight, I try my best. Going to get my 3.75 concealer. I kind of do it from the side, right, so that I don't get too much product on the brush. Start right up under the hairs of your eyebrows and drag it. Might want to do this in parts, because if you just go straight, you're gonna end up just cutting off the rest of your eyebrow. You want to do it in parts and keep an eye on what it is you're doing. And this is when I turn my brush sideways so that I can get that nice sharp look. I think I'm pretty satisfied with this blending brush. I use a circular motion with, so that's why I like this one. And I just use a circular motion up under. And I try my best to brush it down so that I don't mess up the line. I just brush it out. Take the flat side that I was explaining to you guys about earlier, and I'm going to use that to apply the gel. And don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but you guys can see the hair strokes a lot better, in my opinion, you know? Then I'm gonna flip it and take the long side, and I'm gonna use this to shape it. So same thing. There we go. That's how you do some eyebrows right there. Thanks for watching.